Future Scientists, my name's Kaley and I'm back again today with another edition of our Future Scientist Storytime. Today we will be reading Meet the Gears, A Family of Engineers by Sparky Riggs. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Meet the Gears. Dad, Mom, and their son Mike are all engineers. Sam, their daughter, is only 8. She loves to learn and create. One day she asked her father, "Dad, what do you do?" "I'm an engineer, just like your mother and brother are too." "What is an engineer?" It's where math, science, and technology come into play. Engineers use all that knowledge to solve problems that people face every day. It is still not very clear. Can you give me an example of an engineer? There are many different kinds of engineers. Some of them build computers, planes, and cars. Others build skyscrapers, robots, and rockets that can go to Mars. What kind of engineers are you, Mom, and Mike? I'm a computer engineer. I build a computer chip that goes into a phone. The chip works like a brain behind the phone's display. It controls the power, memory, sounds, and other cool things you do on your phone every day. Computer engineers build lots of other things that make products come alive, like televisions, computers, and robotic cars that know how to drive. Your mom is an environmental engineer. She works on keeping our planet green. She makes sure our water stays clean. Dirty water flows from our house to our plant to get treated. It then flows through machines where it's filtered and heated. After it's clean, the water can be used for things like watering a tree. It might even end up out in the sea. Your brother Mike is a mechanical engineer. He works on building gas engines that move our cars on the road. Some engines are built to go fast, while others are built to carry a big load. The engine mixes gas with airflow. That combination is what causes the gears to go. There are other kinds of engines being built by Mike's team. Some use electricity and hydrogen gas, while others use steam. We also have other kinds of engineers in your family tree, like Uncle Cole, Aunt Cassie, and your cousins Owen, Quinn, Fiona, and Ashley. They are all very smart engineers. Someday they can tell you all about their careers. Wow, can I be an engineer too someday? Of course, as long as you have the will, then there is a way. I love it, Dad, and I want to be an engineer like all of you. Tell me, what do I need to do? Yes, it all sounds very cool, but to be an engineer, you have to study very hard in school. An engineering degree should remain at the core, and the best engineers are always hungry to learn more. But before we get too far into your future engineering days, let's ensure your grades for math and science are straight A's. Along the way, you'll have plenty of problems to solve, and someday you'll be a great engineer that will help the world evolve. Thank you all so much for tuning in. To all the kids out there, let us know what your favorite part of the story was down in the comments below. To all the parents and adult family members, stay tuned to our social media channels for more virtual science and Future Scientist Storytime. Please stay smart and safe, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye!
Hey everybody, Christian here. I want to just thank you for watching our content. If you enjoyed, please make sure you hit that like button down below. Also, as you guys know, we are going through some very tough times, and our hearts at the Science Center goes out to everyone that's been affected by this coronavirus outbreak. And as most of you also know, we are a nonprofit organization. We rely very heavily on live programs as well as admissions in order to keep the Science Center lights on. So because we're not open, we do need your help. If you enjoyed our content, please consider hitting that donate button down below and giving anything you can. $1, $5, any amount will help us continue our mission to open every mind to science.